Hi guys, let's review Realme X2 smartphone. We are Realme global distributor. Meanwhile, we are Xiaomi global distributor. If you want to make B2B the business of smartphone, you can contact with us. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We make it global sending. This is Realme X2 smartphone. It supports Google applications, include Google Play Store, and it supports multi-language menus. All Google applications, Google Play Store. Multi-language menus. It is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED LED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 403 ppi density, 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. It's from Embed glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. It supports dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Android 9.0 Pie operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 octa-core 2.2 GHz. Memory storage have 64 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM, or 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, or 8 GB RAM, or 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, UFS 2.1. Its front camera is 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Its main camera is 64 megapixel. Let's make a photo to see the quality. 64 megapixel camera. f1.8 aperture. Ultra wide camera is 8 megapixel f2.3 aperture. 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture with LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4000 mAh battery built-in. Supports 30 watt fast charging. 67% of the battery charged only need 30 minutes. The phone have white color, blue color, and green color. It supports fingerprint under the display. Type-C to USB port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. And here's its color box. Let's have a look what include in the color box. It will come one pieces, very good quality silicon case. Manual warranty certificate. Very good quality USB cable. A jet pin and 30-watt fast charger. We will have UK, Europe and Australian adapter for your market need. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of smartphones, Realme series and Xiaomi smartphones, you can contact with us. Thank you for your watching.